In this episode of the 5 Best Pro, we'll cover the top 5 best Karcher pressure washers that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, Karcher K5 Premium Electric Power Pressure Washer. Value for money is the ultimate aim of every person out there. You want the best you can, or better, for the bucks you pay. In terms of Karcher pressure washers, Karcher K5 Premium Electric Power Pressure Washer would be your best bet for getting a value for money. Launched quite time ago, Karcher K5 Premium Electric Power Pressure Washer was the best sold product, and even today, the sales numbers speak. Having such amazing features, all this is bundled up at a cost, which may seem high for few, but is actually very good if you compare its features. At number 4, Karcher K1800 Electric Power Pressure Washer. If you are buying a Karcher pressure washers for the first time, then you should have Karcher K1800 Electric Power Pressure Washer. It has fewer features when you make Karcher pressure washers comparisons of Karcher K1800 Electric Power Pressure Washer with any other Karcher pressure washers, but what it has is ease of use and best-in-class service. Go ahead and grab a Karcher pressure washers. Grab any Karcher pressure washers, but if you are first-time user and want a good experience, do not look anywhere other than Karcher K1800 Electric Power Pressure Washer. At number 3, Karcher T300 Hard Surface Cleaner. Karcher T300 Hard Surface Cleaner for Karcher electric power pressure washers is a relatively new and late entrant in the market, but surprisingly has surpassed beyond Karcher 11,073,830 G2700R gas pressure washer, which have been in market longer than anyone. Karcher T300 Hard Surface Cleaner for Karcher electric power pressure washers brings you the best of the quality in the lowest possible cost. The best feature of Karcher T300 Hard Surface Cleaner for Karcher electric power pressure washers is what has kept in the market. It certainly makes appearance in reviews of Karcher pressure washers in 2022 owing to its price penetration strategy in the market. If you own a Karcher pressure washers, and it could be any of the high-value Karcher pressure washers, chances are that would be much costlier than Karcher T300 Hard Surface Cleaner for Karcher electric power pressure washers. Karcher T300 Hard Surface Cleaner for Karcher electric power pressure washers will have more than 50% of all its features. At number 2, Karcher K2 Car and Home Kit Electric Power Pressure Washer. Going ahead with our list, we have something very specific to a specific audience. Yes, Karcher K2 Car and Home Kit Electric Power Pressure Washer has a very selective audience with specific taste. It satisfies customer expectations, given that your expectations don't cross a limit, and it adds value for money, but more importantly, it adds a style to the user which can be your fashion statement. Karcher K2 Car and Home Kit Electric Power Pressure Washer is definitely the must-buy for those who need a little of both quality and price efficiency, and as per our analysis, Karcher K2 Car and Home Kit Electric Power Pressure Washer easily gets the award of Best Karcher Pressure Washers under $100. Finally, at number 1, Karcher K2 Plus Electric Power Pressure Washer. If you are the sort of a person who doesn't compromise on quality and is ready to shell a little extra, then Karcher K2 Plus Electric Power Pressure Washer is your choice. They say you either buy a quality product once or buy cheap products every day, the cost comes to same. The new Karcher K2 Plus Electric Power Pressure Washer comes with best price. It is industry's most trusted, most preferred and quality Karcher pressure washers, and it considered as gold standard by many users as well as non-users. If you are looking for a long-time investment with a quality Karcher pressure washers, then don't look beyond Karcher K2 Plus Electric Power Pressure Washer. The product is featured, highlighted and appreciated in reviews of Karcher pressure washers in 2022, and this has been backed by many users. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.